Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're looking at MaxMyMoney.com, a website dedicated to helping you, maximize your money. Located at https://www.maxmymoney.com, this platform offers a wealth of resources and tools designed to empower you to take control of your finances. Whether you're looking to budget more effectively, invest wisely, or simply gain a better understanding of personal finance principles, MaxMyMoney.com aims to be your one-stop shop. While the specific services and features offered by MaxMyMoney.com might evolve, the core focus appears to remain consistent, providing individuals with the knowledge and resources they need to improve their financial well-being. This likely includes articles, guides, and potentially even interactive tools or calculators to help you analyze your spending, plan for retirement, or compare different investment options. Navigating the website should be relatively straightforward, with clear menus and categories to guide you to the information you seek. It's important to remember, though, that personal finance is a complex subject and what works for one person may not work for another. The information presented on MaxMyMoney.com or any similar platform should be considered as general guidance and not personalized financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any major financial decisions. To explore MaxMyMoney.com further, simply visit the website at https://www.maxmymoney.com. There, you can delve into the various resources available and determine if the platform aligns with your specific financial goals and needs. Remember to do your own thorough research and consider multiple perspectives before making any financial decisions. Managing your finances effectively is a journey, and MaxMyMoney.com may be a helpful resource along the way. Let me know in the comments below what your experience with MaxMyMoney.com has been like, or if you have any other personal finance resources you recommend.